What you guys, today we're taking a look at how to fix Windows update problems in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This is a common error code that we're going to be taking a look at here. As you can see, the error code, when you go to update, it fails and you'll get an error code coming up on the screen, which I'll show you. So you can see here we've got 0x800 10922. That is the error code that is happening on his machine, and that's what we're going to be fixing today. I'll show you basically the steps we took to try to fix and resolve and get it installed onto the computer. Say yes to the user account control, and basically this little box will pop up here. Say next, accept their terms and conditions, click next again, and then you can click next, next, and then just install it into the directory you want to install it to. Once we've got it here, right click on the icon and run this as administrator. Say yes to the user account control, and then we'll have a bunch of options here for our language. I'm going to be going 0 for English. Say yes here, or Y, just to accept their terms and conditions. So I'm going to say Y here. And next we're going to go to option number 2. This resets the Windows update components. So sometimes updates will come down and they get stuck in the folders of the Windows update components, and this can cause major problems. And this will just clear these out and delete any old software distribution downloads from Microsoft. Just empties the folders out, and when you go to update again, it should be nice and clean in there and you should have no issues. So let's just go ahead and let that finish off its thing. And once that's done, it's going to reset a bunch of settings, and we've now seen it's restarting the services. It has to stop the services for the Windows updates to delete those files. Once it's done, it restarts them. Now we're going to delete all of the temporary files in Windows, and that should remove those. And then once that's done, we're going to do number 3 here for deleting all those. Push enter to continue. And now we're going to need to move on to the next one, which in this case is going to be number 6, which is run the system file checker tool. You can do this in command prompt if you want to do it there, which is sfc /scan now, and this will check the system for any sort of integrity with the files, and it will use a copy of those files to replace them if they're corrupted. So basically run that check. Next up, we've got one more in here that we're going to be doing, which is checks whether the image has been flagged as corrupted. So we're just going to run number 8 and let that go. And once that's done, it should say push any key to continue. So I'm just going to push on any key here, and that should continue. So that is the tool done here now. You can restart the PC by typing number 19. So go to settings here, update and security, and check for updates and see whether that update will now install on the system. So from here, once you're done, restart your PC, go in and check for updates, and hopefully that update will come down and install on your PC.